All right, good morning, second and third grade students. So this week for science, our first lesson is going to be on identifying what a mixture is. All right, so first off, we need to know what is a mixture. So a mixture is a combination of two or more substances that can be easily separated. So with a mixture, it does not make a new substance. So some examples include, we have sand and water being mixed, oil and water, a salad, and also Chex Mix. So with all of these, they have two or more items that are together, but we can easily separate them. So again, when we put them together, it does not create something totally new. So like, for example, with Chex Mix, if you're eating Chex Mix and you're like, oh, I don't really care for like the pretzels in it, you can easily separate those out, but it's still Chex Mix. The same goes like with salad. If like you don't like tomatoes in your salad, you can easily pick out the tomatoes, but it's still a salad. All right, so now we're going to talk about what is a solution. So a solution is a mixture of two or more substances that cannot be easily separated. So with a solution, we do have a new substance that is created. So some examples of that would be hot chocolate, baking soda and vinegar that is mixed together, and also salt and water. So like with hot chocolate, when we mix water or milk with the hot chocolate mix, we create a whole new substance. The same goes for baking soda and vinegar. So when we add those two together, we see that it foams up and creates a new substance. And the same with salt and water. So with all these, we cannot easily separate the substances once they have been put together. All right, so let's look at some vocab words. So a substance that breaks down or dissolves another substance is known as a solvent. And then a solute is a substance that can be dissolved by a solvent to create a solution. So an example of a solute would be water mixed with sugar. So the solvent is the water, because remember we said a solvent is what breaks down something. So the water breaks down the sugar, and that's why the sugar is the solute. And then two more vocab words that we're going to look at. These are some a little bit bigger words. So first we have heterogeneous. And this is a mixture made of two or more substances that are combined or mixed together, but not dissolved together. So again, we have the Chex Mix and salad. So these would be examples of a heterogeneous mixture. And then our last vocab word is homogeneous. And homogeneous is the opposite. So a homogeneous mixture is one that's mixed or blended together so well that all of the ingredients will not separate out even over time. So again, the example of the hot chocolate and the salt being dissolved in the water would be examples of homogeneous mixtures. All right, and that is our science lesson for today.